These double-layered chocolate burfis are always a hit, loved by kids and adults alike. The good news is, you can easily make them at home, pure and fresh. Let's make chocolate burfi. In a heated kadhai, I am taking 600 grams of Khoya or Mawa. I had simply grated the Mawa blocks. Into this, I am adding 1 cup of powdered sugar. Bring the Mawa and the powdered sugar together. You can always slightly adjust the sugar quantity to your liking. Keep on stirring the mixture on low flame. Soon you will see the mixture melting and turning gooey. Continue to cook on low flame, stirring constantly. Once the mixture begins to thicken, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix. For setting the burfi, I am keeping a deep glass dish ready. Greasing it with ghee helps to unmold the burfi easily. You can alternatively use butter paper. The burfi mixture is ready to be transferred. For the first layer of the burfi, quickly transfer half of this mixture to the dish. Flatten it to give a uniform level. On top of this, we will have the chocolate layer. For the chocolate layer, I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of chocolate powder. Mix this well in the hot mawa. The chocolate mawa is ready. Let's transfer this on top of the first layer we prepared. Press gently. Make sure it's leveled up. I'm topping up with chopped cashews, almonds, and pistachios. Let's leave this to cool off completely for around 1 hour or until it sets. The burfi mixture has cooled down. Gently loosen up the sides and unmold it. Time to cut the burfi into the desired shape. Trim the edges to get uniform sides. Post this, you can cut into whatever shape or size you like. 2-layer chocolate burfis are ready to be enjoyed. Be it festivals or without them, they are perfect to sweeten your moments with the people you love. After all, love needs no occasion, does it? Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.